Greetings, YouTube. I'd like to introduce you back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Garden channel, right here in Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. And do you guys remember this video, YouTube? We uploaded this video on February the 2nd of this year, YouTube. And in that video, we showed you guys how we went about attempting to propagate a fig tree cutting that we titled the Chalice. It's been approximately 90 days, YouTube, since we attempted that propagation experiment with that fig tree cutting. If you guys been wondering whatever happened to that fig tree cutting, whether or not we were able to actually successfully propagate that fig tree cutting, whether it lived, died, or whatever happened to it, YouTube, you have? We're going to walk you guys right now, YouTube, around to South Georgia figs and show you guys exactly how successful or not successful we were in propagating the Chalice. Hang tight, YouTube.